have been practicing Silva since 2-3 years, I guess. But last year I finally took the training, Silva Intuition and Silva Life in Pakistan. And after that, I found amazing changes in myself and with my family also. So I want to share few with you that basically I'm a very happy person, but due to some past events, I have struggled with anxiety, and I used to overthink everything. To cope up with anxiety and depression, this is a very normal trend that in families they not take it serious.
Yeah.
So when I took the session and the Silva intuition system, so it is helpful for me, and I self-healed myself. I go in the lab level and doing the in meditation, going in the deep trance, and then heal myself. So I overcome the anxiety plus depression both. And now, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I have no depression, no anxiety issues with me. Second, my husband is a patient of uric acid since many years.
Okay.
So I healed him, and he is fine now. So these are the few experiences which I, after Silva, after doing Silva, I found it. Besides this, there are many others. Besides this, I found, I have many clients. I scanned many people, and I tell them or told them that you are going through this thing and going through this thing, and approximately 90% results are satisfactory. So again, the thing is that we need daily practice. We need to give time to this thing. That only then we can gain the good results, or otherwise there is no need. Though nothing can benefit us.
Exactly. Practice.
Whether it is Silva, or it is anything else.
Kind of meditation. Yes, definitely. Thank you so much, Adeela. Thank you for sharing your insights. So keep meditating, keep practicing, and reach out to us if you need any help.